Hi guys and welcome back. In this lecture we're going to look at string formatting. In the last video we saw how you cannot add numbers and strings together. But that is such a common thing to do that all too often we end up having to convert the number into a string so that we can add it to the string and so on. Something like this, which we had in the last video. We've got a number, then we want to put it inside the string so that we can show it to the user, and we have to convert it into a string first. This is quite annoying because it happens so often. So instead, we can use string formatting. So what I'm going to do is, instead of printing UR plus the age, we're going to print F string. Now, an F string is only something available in Python 3.6 and above. So make sure that you are using that version. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, don't worry, it will work in REPL it. And here we're going to do UR, and then inside a couple of curly braces, we're going to type age. Now we can delete this one here, and we can also delete this one there. And we can directly print the number 34 inside our string because of the way that F strings work. So in an F string, you type an F, then the quotation marks, and then inside the quotation marks you can write these curly braces, and inside the curly brace you can write your variable that you want to include inside your string. Let's look at another example. Here we've got a name, and then you've got a greeting, which is an F string. You see the F, then the quotation marks, and inside it you've got how are you, comma, space, then you've got your curly braces, and inside there you've got the name variable. And at the end you've got a question mark. If we print this greeting and then we run this, you'll see that how are you, Jose gets printed out. There is a small problem with F strings, which isn't really a problem as much as a limitation, which is that if you change the name, say to Bob, and then you print greeting again, you'll see that how are you, Jose gets printed out twice. That is because when